Okay, this is Math 7A, Unit 4, Chapter Test, and this is number 4. Let me zoom out so I can show you the directions. Simplify each of the following equations and solve for the variable. Show all work and check your solution if possible. So let's go ahead and do that. I'm going to go ahead and set up the two walls or the two lines that separates the left side. This is the left side and this is the right side. Separates the left side from the right side. I'm going to distribute 3 times 5x because I have 3 groups of 5x plus 2. I have 15x. And 3 groups of 5x plus 2 also gives me 6 positive ones. On the right, we can leave it as it is and start simplifying from here. It looks like we have like terms on both sides. We can remove 8x and subtract 8x here. I'm going to go ahead and just subtract 8x. And that gives me 7x plus 6 equals no more x's on the right, leaving me with 20 on the right. Okay, next step should be removing 6 positives from both sides. So I'm going to subtract 6 on both sides and I get 0 on the left for 6's, leaving me with 7x. 20 minus 6 is 14. Now I'm left with 7 x's and 14 ones on opposite sides. So I'm going to divide both sides by 7 to get the solution of x equals 2. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and check this x equals 2 with the checking step right here. I'm going to do it on the left, check. And like I said, to check it, you need to take this x value 2 and plug it in every time you see an x in your original equation. So I'm going to copy down the original equation as it is, and then put 2 every time I should have an x. Okay, so 8 times 2 plus 20. And then on the left side, I had 3 groups of 5 times 2 plus 2. So I'm going to work this out from inside out. So 5 times 2 is 10 plus 2 gives me 12. 12 times 3 gives me 36. The left side simplified to 36. Let's see if the right side is the same. 8 times 2 is 16. 16 plus 20 leaves me with 36, and it looks like 36 does work. So it looks like they have identical solutions when I plug it in, which makes this x equals 2 the correct answer. Make sure that you have a statement that states one thing you learned from the video in light of your mistake. Do not say, I learned how to solve this equation. I don't want to hear something like that because that's so generic. That doesn't tell me anything about what you've really learned. I need you to be very clear and specific about what you learned in relation to what you have made as a mistake. So please be sure to put that in so you can get full credit for test correction back.